Hi everyone, welcome back. Now today we're working on timber stud work in the corner by the front door. I also need to put some extra strength underneath the stairway to reinforce the landing, hence this piece here. So let's just get straight into it. This solid piece of oak will support this end of the landing. I've got a cantilever on here, so that will support this, because at the moment this is not fixed to the timber above, it's kind of floating, although I've got temporary strut in there. So this will be on show, and then we'll panel behind that. There'll be a little door to go on there. We'll continue down there with our cladding. So we'll just get this levelled into position. Perfect. Temporary tacks in there just to make sure I've got a bit of adjustment should I need it. So this is the halfway landing. So we come through the door. Let's just recap. Onto the stone steps here. Then turn up, use your imagination, up onto the stone steps there. And then we go up the stairs onto the landing here, and we turn and we go up there. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to visualise, but basically we come in this way, we go all the way around, and then when I'm on the next level up, we'll just step out that way. So it's a full 360. It was a little bit tricky for me to design this. There was lots of elements I had to consider. Head height, openings, beams that I couldn't cut, but I got there. Now it's just a case of strengthening it. I've then got to figure out a way to suspend this middle gantry landing, whatever you want to call it, from the beams above. But for now we're going to work in this corner, clad this section, and start working out from there. It's kind of incorporating the design into the stairs as we go as well, with the walling. So I'm not just jumping from one thing to another. It is part of the design process. So now's the time to use all of my offcuts. Down we go. Okay, I'm going to cut off flush. And when it comes to paneling out this section, I'm going to have to put in another stud there, and the same that side, so that this protrudes on the face. Yep, that's the owl again. The daytime owl. I think he's giving me the call for a cup of tea. Not just yet, I must crack on. So I'm running a little bit low on materials. Now I've got this one here, an offcut from another piece, but it's not quite long enough. It doesn't reach the header. So what we can do in a situation like this is either, depends on the length, run one of these through the middle and then cut that each side of it. I'll just fit one at the top or at the base, it doesn't matter, and then that one will be long enough. Just simple ways of getting out of situations. This was an offcut of something else, so all of a sudden we can fit it. Now we try this. Yep, all of a sudden it's too long. So we just simply mark it off at the top now. Make sure you don't cut it too short, or you'd have to put another bit on the top. Okay, a little bit of persuasion. And if you need to adjust it and you can't get your hammer in there to knock it, just a bit of wood on the wall and just prise it over. Perfect. That's it. Same that side. Well, what do you think? It's come out okay, isn't it? And then I've got a door like this, cycle, nice oak little door, make the recess, get that hung. Okay, that's as far as I can go today. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Bye for now.